Your attention please. The 1838 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable. Platform 2 for the 1828 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central. This train has 4 coaches. Platform 4 for the 1833 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria. Calling at Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stepford, Victoria. This train has 4 coaches. The train now approaching Platform 8 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Platform 5 for the 1834 Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. Calling at Ellesmere Junction, Morganstown, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1, and Airport Terminal 2. This train has 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of this train. Platform 2 for the 1829 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central. Calling at St Helens Bridge, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central. This train has 4 coaches. Your attention please. The 1838 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central has been cancelled. This is due to a member of